Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to be here today, present OBSIDIAN, a company that is focused on a current challenge of the MDF industry, that is how to produce deep and uniform black MDF. So for less of you are less familiar with MDF, in a very simple way, MDF is made from wood fibers mixed with a resin, and then is compressed under heat and pressure to obtain the border. We have currently color MDF is considered an innovative and premium segment of this market. But since this material, those boards are made from natural wood fibers mixed with dyes or pigments, there is a difficulty to reach a uniform color through the panel. And this problem is even more visible in black MDF, as you can see here in this right side image, where you see like a gray color with the light spotters due to the wood fibers. So what is the problem that we have? When the border is machining, which means that it's cutted, milled, or dry, the internal structure of the panel appears and shows this coloring consistency that is a great limitation for high-end applications that the MDF manufacturers want to apply this product. So what is the industry need? The industry needs to move from this current product to a product that shows color consistency through the surface to the core, to the edges, to the machining areas, and from batch to batch. Currently, there are three main pigmentation strategies. All of them show some limitations. And the one that most used in the industrial process is when the pigment is added to in the blow line or during the fiber mixing. This approach has two key limitations. One is the amount of pigment. There is a threshold to the value because of the interactions between the pigment and the resin. And the second is it's not possible to control the distribution of the pigmentum across the wood fibers. So what our technology wants to do is to control the pigmentation process through magnetically assisted black pigmentation. We have a black formulation, a black magnetic formulation, and then by applying a magnetic field, we promote the micro distribution of the pigment across the wood fibers in order to obtain homogeneous black fibers without losing the integrity of the fibers and the resin bonding. For the integration of our technology in the industry, our proposal product is a magnetization chamber that could be included in the production lines of the MDF. Now, looking at our market, in terms of volumes, we expect an addressable market of around 0.9 million cubic meters per year, with an annual growing rate of 8%. And since initially we are focused on the European market, our value corresponds to 0.3 million cubic meters per year. In terms of value, OBSIDIAN is targeting 46 million euros per year initially, with a global opportunity of 153 million euros per year. Our business model is B2B. OBSIDIAN is clear technology supply to the MDF manufacturers, and our roadmap that is shown here. We are currently on the technology development on a TRL 223. In the next steps, we're expecting to do a proof of concept and prototype development, and our target is to enter the market in 2029. For this, our funding needs are around 2.7 million euros. Here are our financial projections. After entering the market, we expect that our revenue will grow, and in 5 years we'll reach a total revenue of 69.6 million euros and a cumulative cash flow of 87.7 million euros. The people behind Obsidian are myself, Bernardo, Norte, and Tito, Trindade. We are based at CISEC Institute of Aveiro Institute of Materials at the University of Aveiro, and we have a strong expertise on chemistry, material science, pigments, and magnetic materials. To conclude, I would like to invite you all to imagine the endless possibilities that could be achieved when Obsidian will be in the market, from premium furniture to complex geometries. We really think that with Obsidian, the future of premium black MDF will be magnetic. So thank you all.